Hi, this is Mike, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create and deploy a test in Blackboard 9.1. First thing that you do is log into the course that you'd like the test to be in and decide where you would like the test to be. So here I've got my menu, home page, information, syllabus, assignments. Let's go ahead and put the test in assignments. So I'll click on the assignments tab and that'll open up the assignments page. And to go ahead and create that test, I'll go to Assessments and Test. Now, if I had tests that have not been deployed, they will appear here under Add an Existing Test. But as you see, I don't have any tests that have not been deployed, so the list is blank. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new test. I'll hit Create, and I'll call this Test 1. And I can give it a description and some instructions if I want, but I'm going to make this quick, so I'll just submit it the way it is. And now I will go ahead and create a question for the test. Now you can create any of the types of questions that you see here. I'm just going to go ahead and create a true-false question. I'll scroll down. Oops. Scroll down, click on true-false. And that brings up the question page. And I can give it a title if I want. I don't have to. What I do need to do is put in some question text. So I'll say George Washington was the first president of the United States. And I can go ahead and give it the answer. So the correct answer is true there. And now I'm basically done. That's the simplest way to create a question. I'll click Submit, and I've created that question, and this is going to be a one-question test just for example's sake. And that's it. I can change how many points the question is worth. I can create a new question if I want, but I'm just going to leave this as one question test. And I'll click on OK, and that test is now created and ready to go. Now you notice that it takes me back to that test page, and now I've got a test that I can deploy. Add the existing test is test 1, and I'll click Submit. And we're waiting for Blackboard. And now we can do the test options. So I can change the name of the test if I want. I'll leave it. I can give it a description if I like. I can set it to open in a new window if I like. I will need to make the link available so that my students can see it, so I'll click Yes. I can add a new announcement if I like. I can allow multiple attempts. I would not allow forced completion because that causes lots of problems, so don't do that. What you can do is set a timer, and that's a nice thing to do, and you can set it for as long as you want. So I'm going to set a 2-minute timer. And auto submit off or on. If you choose on, after that 2 minutes are up, however the test has been completed up to that point will be submitted. I can display it after or until a certain date and time, and I can even give it a password. That's basically all I need to do. And I want to make sure to include the test in Grade Center score calculations, and I do not want to hide the results for the test completely from the instructor and the Grade Center. That will make it not a test but a survey, and you'll never be able to see what the students have answered. And that's basically it. I'm going to leave all the defaults the way that they are, and I'll go ahead and click Submit. And that's it. Test 1 is ready, and the students can start taking it immediately. That's all there is to creating a test and deploying it in Blackboard.